Hey there, what is up everyone? So in this quick video, I want to show you how to disable and turn off this zoom feature, which can get annoying. Maybe you might have turned it on and you're having trouble turning it off. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the zoom feature on your iPhone 7 Plus. So this is actually very simple. It's just a setting that you can enable or disable in the settings. So I'm going to show you how to get to it really quickly. So here in general, you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to general. Here in general, you're going to go to accessibility. And here in accessibility, it's going to be the second option. It's going to say zoom. So it's probably, or it should be on if you're seeing this on your screen. If it's off, then obviously it's not going to be showing on your screen. So what you can do is you'll just go to zoom here, and then you can just turn it off. And then that way the feature won't work anymore. Because what happens is that when you have the feature turned on and you have it like here, some people don't know how to get it off, so it could get really annoying. But really all you have to do is you can tap with 3 fingers and it will disappear. It has to be with 3 fingers. Double tap. But like I said, you can just go here into the accessibility and just turn off the feature completely so that it doesn't show up anymore. Alright, so that was just a quick video on how to enable and disable the zoom feature on your iPhone 7 Plus. Alright, so that's it for this video. I will see you guys around in the next video. Peace.